Hi everybody, I'm Sylvia the Crafty Old Lady, and today I thought I would show you all my glue book slash collage books. So here I have actually 5 of them, and that's actually more than I thought I had. I thought I only had 4. But this is a little tiny one, and it is actually a index card book, notebook kind of thing. So I decided to make mini collages on it because I didn't know what else to do with it. And this is what I've got so far. My daughter painted that cute little robin. I think that's an English robin, like a UK robin. And the rest of these I did all by myself. This is just Monet washi tapes. At some point, I think I decided to only do them on one side. This one's so cute. And I put on my fortune from a fortune cookie. Opportunities multiply as they are seized. They die when neglected. And then this, oh, I never did anything with that page. That's it, I guess. I thought I did more than that. All right, well, let's go to the next one. This one has a lot. This is like a traveler's notebook size notebook. I think I made it myself. I'm not sure. I don't really remember. And this is more like an art journal slash collaging book. I was sad and disappointed on that day, I guess, April 18th, 2022. Probably my daughter had a seizure or something. That's usually what makes me sad and disappointed. This is a goldfinch, and this is a little quote from Mary Sarton. One thing is certain, and I have always known it. The joys of my life have nothing to do with age. They do not change. Flowers, the morning and evening light, music, poetry, silence, the goldfinches darting about. I thought that was neat. I love watching the goldfinches dart about our sunflowers, looking for sunflower seeds. Christmas 2022, I made that one. You're never too old to set another goal or dream a new dream. Every flower must go through the dirt. You are stronger than you realize. We call your name because the earth has no sorrow that heaven can't heal. I'm sure God will be willing. Thank the good Lord. Those are all just little sentences that I cut out of a book, and this is the latest one I did online, and that's that. And this is another glue book that I made. I don't have much in it yet, but I made this whole book myself. This was when I was getting started. Just a pleasant night like any other. General pleasantries full of significance. Christmas 2023 there. Survival. I think I might have done that one online. I did do this one online too. This is where I started doing more surreal type collages, although I'm nowhere near where I'd like to be. One innocent heart. Chrissy, what is her name? Chrissy Teigen? I don't remember her name, but we all know who she is. She's soaking up the sun with her chocolate and her wine. Or is it champagne? Ringo and a baby. Food. The original trendsetters. Objects. This was my objects one. Here's another nature scene. And then this is when I started with the collage challenge, Marguerite Miller's collage challenges. Love those flowers. I'm hoping to get a little more creative with these. I feel like I'm not super creative. Well, this one I thought came out nice. But see, I don't like this part. This is an actual photograph of our road that we were driving on. This one definitely don't like. This one's okay. And that's it for that one. Now these other two, I have hardly anything in them. This is like a dotted dot grid copybook. This is just flower power in the background. Then I added more flowers and I added him. And I did that because his shirt is all covered in flowers. And I love his colors. I love colorfulness. This is like a backyard garden page, and I gave him flowers for his eyes and added some bugs. This was like a vintage Twinchy 2-inch squares. And this one I just did yesterday, and I wish I had done it online because I love it. I love how it came out. Keeping up the good work, the good life. Everybody's working hard with their books, studying, doing work on her desk, yoga, eating good food. And that's it for this. Or actually, it's not it for this book. This is another bird one. I covered the whole page in birds. This is another surreal one that I did. And this is just a background. These backgrounds with the flowers. That's some extra backgrounds that I haven't put in yet. These backgrounds like this were from a Dollar Tree Create Your Own Crafts or something magazine. And then that I just put this was the background, these little people from ARP magazine, and then I just added some other people. That's actually Albert Einstein. And I think that's it for that one. And for this one, whoops, I believe I did this one online. I don't really love how it came out though. And this one, I just really liked the simplicity of this on the white background. I might add another hummingbird or two if I find one, but I don't know. So this is a grid or like a masterboard style. I have not put any kind of fussy cuts on top. I don't know if I will. And that's it for this book. Well, it appears that I have even one more journal, collage journal that I forgot about. And I'll just flip through this real quick too. These are more like vintagey types. There's a mandala I did. Journal prompts that I wrote down and then never paid any attention to. Give the ones you love wings to fly, roots to come back, and reasons to stay. Dalai Lama. Nobody can hurt me without my permission. Normality is a paved road. It's comfortable to walk on, but no flowers grow on it. Sometimes fear does not subside, and one must choose to do it afraid. How true is that? Do not let the behavior of others destroy your inner peace. Christmas again. Disappointment, always. Well, what are you going to do? It is how you handle your disappointments that define you as a person. If you get up after the fact or just lay there in defeat. That's true too. Looks like my glue is giving out here. February is the border between winter and spring. How true is that? This is Van Gogh washi tape. That was just an old ad. I was trying to do something creative here with wax pastels, I think. This is what I cut up different words and sentences and phrases from different books to make a poem. You have a lot of wisdom inside you. The voice of your soul will lead the way. God was there, joy, a smile of much happiness, everlasting happiness. The sunset sky brightened. The sky looked full of infinite promise, so glorious a sunset. And I think that's it for this book. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed my, 6 books of collage journals, and I hope you're doing well. I hope you're happy and healthy and safe. And remember to stay strong and courageous in this crazy world of ours, and we'll see you again next time. Bye-bye.